Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we introduced the characteristics of high-quality fabrics. Today, we're going to talk about the characteristics and applications of different types of clothing fabrics. We'll be focusing on poplin, spandex, seersucker, flannel, and Oxford fabrics. So let's dive right in. First up, we have poplin. Poplin is a durable, tightly woven fabric that is known for its smooth and crisp texture. It is often made from cotton or a cotton polyester blend, making it lightweight and breathable. Poplin is commonly used for dress shirts, blouses, and lightweight jackets due to its wrinkle-resistant and easy care properties. Next, we have spandex, also known as elastane. Spandex is a synthetic fiber known for its exceptional elasticity, making it perfect for form-fitting garments such as activewear, swimwear, and leggings. It provides excellent stretch and recovery, allowing for freedom of movement and comfort. Moving on to seersucker. This fabric is easily recognizable by its puckered texture and striped pattern. Seersucker is typically made from cotton and is lightweight, breathable, and quick-drying, making it ideal for warm weather clothing such as suits, dresses, and casual shirts. Its puckered texture also helps to keep the fabric away from the skin, providing ventilation and comfort. Now, let's talk about flannel. Flannel is a soft, brushed fabric that is known for its warmth and coziness. It is commonly made from wool, cotton, or a blend of both, and is often used for making shirts, pajamas, and outdoor wear. Flannel's insulating properties make it a popular choice for cold weather clothing, providing both comfort and style. Lastly, we have Oxford fabric. Oxford is a versatile, medium-weight fabric that is characterized by its basket weave structure and textured appearance. It is commonly made from cotton and is used for a wide range of clothing items, including dress shirts, casual button-downs, and tailored garments. Oxford fabric is known for its durability and ability to hold up well over time. In conclusion, each of these fabrics offers unique characteristics and applications, catering to different clothing needs and styles. Whether you're looking for a lightweight and breathable option like poplin, a stretchy and form-fitting fabric like spandex, a textured and breathable choice like seersucker, a warm and cozy material like flannel, or a versatile and durable fabric like Oxford, there's a fabric out there for every garment and occasion. At Rongzhu, we are committed to providing top-notch fabric development services to our valued customers. If you're interested in learning more about fabrics, be sure to check out our website or reach out to our team for more information. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fashion and textile-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.